Hi there. Welcome to English Verbify. Today we're starting a series on family members' vocabulary. In this first video, we'll be focusing on parents, children, and siblings, words that are essential for talking about your family. Let's get started. Number 1. Parents. Parents are the people who take care of you. We have two main words here. The first one is father or dad, the man who takes care of you. For example, my father is very strong. You can also call him dad. I love my dad. Second one is mother or mom, the woman who takes care of you. For example, my mother makes delicious food. You can also say mom. I talk to my mom every day. Number 2. Children. Children are the sons and daughters of parents. Here are the words we use. The first one is daughter. A daughter is a girl child. For example, she is their daughter. The second one is son. A son is a boy child. For example, he is their son. The third one is baby. A baby is a very young child, often a newborn. For example, the baby is sleeping. Number 3. Siblings. Siblings are brothers and sisters. Let's look at the words. The first one is sister. A sister is a girl who has the same parents as you. For example, my sister is very kind. The second one is brother. A brother is a boy who has the same parents as you. For example, my brother plays soccer. Great job! Now you've learned about parents, children, and siblings. In the next video, we'll explore more family members like grandparents, aunts, uncles, and in-laws. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to make sure you don't miss the part 2 so you can continue expanding your family vocabulary. See you next time. Keep smiling and learning.